Hello everyone, Pete Senior. So it means Fiesta of this Senior Santo Niño. So we're here from this analyze of these games in Tata Steel Chess 2025. So it means this year 2025. So it means the started of this Tata Steel Chess is January 18. So it means yesterday. So yesterday of the start of this chess. So let's see of these players of these masters and challengers. So it means let's see. So it means master from the 14 players from this one, and also have a Fabiano Caruana in USA, Arjun Ergaisi, and also Gukesh from this World Chess Champion. So it means India, and also Norderbek Abdulsatorov, and also Wei from China, and also Pentalan Hari Krishna in India. So it is coached by Gukesh, and also Pragnananda, so it means brother or sister or sis in Vaishali, so it means sisters from this one. So it is four Indians, and also Inish Giri, so it means Inish Giri or and Kamer, Vincent Kamer, and Vladimir Fedoset, and also Jordan Van Forest, and also Alexei Sarana, and also Max Warmerdam, and also Leon Luke Mendonca. So it means 14 players of this master of these players of this Tata Steel chess. And also next player from Challenger. So between 14 players from Challenger, and also between Tai Dine Vai Norien, and also Norderbeck Yakubuev, and also Frederick Swain, and also Edith Guriel, and also Aydin Soleim Anli, and also Erwin Lamy, and also Benjamin Bove and Cassie Beck Norderbeck, and also Divya Deshmukh from India, and also Vaishali from India. So it means Brotherhood in Pragnananda, and also Arthur Pierpers. It was Pierpers from this one. So it means Lu Miaoyi from China, and also Faustino Oro in Argentina, and Irina Bolmaga in Romania from this one. So it means 14 players from this Masters and this Challenger. So so it means round number one. So it means never mind. I will not. So it means I will not tell of this. So we were born and careers on this one. And also have between from this grandmaster from China is Wei versus grandmaster in USA is Fabiano Caruana. So it means long game of this tournament from this one. So in the part of this video here, we have analyzed here of these chess games in Tata Steel Chess in this round number one. So white plays Wei is e4, e5 Fabiano, knight f3, knight c6, bishop b5 Roy Lopez opening, and also knight f6 is called Roy Lopez or Wesley So burning defense from this one. So, so I think main line there. So it means if you move this one, if you knight d4 here is called Roy Lopez bird's defense. So it means bird defense from this one. So it means bird. So it means bird. So it means tweet and birds. So it means bird defense. So Roy Lopez opening. Or maybe what do you think if your knight takes knight from this one if your knight takes d4, or maybe pawn takes d4 from this one. So another. So if you capture this knight takes pawn from this one, so what do you think of this knight takes pawn? Or maybe knight takes bishop. So it means determination, so it means +2 from this black pieces, so it means wins from black. So back there is knight f6, so it means called Berlin's defense, and also castle, and also knight takes e4, so it means one pawn down by Wei, so it means one pawn down. So it means one pawn down from this one. And also rook e1, so it means with the threatening of this from this knight. And also knight d6, so it means threatening bishop. And also knight takes e5, so it means knight takes e5, so it means with the threatening of this knight, so it means bishop takes knight, so it means double. So double here from this target of this development. And also bishop e7, so bishop e7 with the coming of this castle here from this one. And also bishop f1, so it means novelty by white pieces in this game from this Wei, from this one. Old main line there is bishop takes knight, or maybe pawn takes bishop, so it means development with the thinking of this develop of these black pieces from this one. So back there, novelty is bishop f1, knight takes e5, and also rook takes e5, so it means rook takes e5 with a move from this captured by Wei, and also castle, and also d4 defense by rook, and also bishop f8, so it means bishop f6, so it means bishop f6. Sorry, I forgot my thinking. So it means bishop f6 here. So it means bishop f6. So it means with the threatening of this rook from this one. Rook. It is development of this target. And also rook backwards e1. And also rook e8. So it means rook e8 with a capture of this rook to rook. And also bishop f4. So it means bishop f4. So if you capture this rook takes here, what do you think of this rook takes e8 check? Or maybe queen takes rook from this one. So another, if you knight c6 here from this one, so what do you think with knight f5? So it means knight f5. So it means knight f5 with a threatening of pawn. So it means bishop pawn. So it means threatening double. So it means danger from pawn. So it means development. So back there is bishop f4, and also rook takes e1, queen takes rook, and also knight e8. So it means knight e8 with a develop for this thinking from move by Fabiano from this one. And also c3, so it means c3 defense by d4, and also d5. So it means d5 are moved by Fabiano, so it means focusing of this move by black pieces. And also knight d2, so it means knight d2 with the idea of this move by knight f3, so it means development, or maybe knight b3, or maybe move by Wei from this one. And also c6 with the defense of d5, and also queen e3, so it means queen e3, so it means with the idea of move from rook e1, so it is rook a e1 from this development from this one. And also g6, and also rook e1, so it means rook e1, so it means triple queen, and also rook, so it means queen with the idea of this capture this knight, so it means target, so it means more of this development of this capture. And also knight g7, so it means knight g7 are moved by avoided by Fabiano, so it means realize this does not want a capture of this one. And also knight f3, so idea with the moves of knight f3 with the focusing by Wei, and also bishop f5, so it means bishop f5 with a double by bishop, so it is fianchetto double bishop from this one. And also h3, so it means h3 with idea or move by g4, so it means threatening bishop from this one. And also h5, so it means idea we have no more from this move by g4 from white pieces from this one. And also bishop e5, so it means bishop e5 with the threatening of this capture, ready of this capture bishop here, so it means bishop captured, so it means bishop to bishop. And also knight e6, so it means knight e6, so it means knight e6. So what do you think if you capture this bishop takes bishop? So what do you think of this one? Or maybe queen takes bishops with the idea our strongest move by Wei with the decided to thinking of the strongest move by in this white pieces from this one. So it means with the puzzle of these mathematicians from this one. So back there is knight e6, and also bishop d3, so it means bishop d3, so it means with idea of this one. So black, if you capture this, so ready of this captured bishop, or maybe bishop captured this one, so it means captured. And also bishop takes d3, queen takes bishop, and also king g7, so it means development by bishop. and also h4. So idea with a sacrifice. So it means h4 by sacrifice by Wei. And also bishop takes e5, rook takes bishop, and also queen d7 with idea of this one. So with idea are moved by rook here. Rook, rook, rook a e8. So it means rook e8. So it means idea. And also knight g5. So it means knight g5. So it means with a threatening, with the threatening of this knight, or maybe rook takes sacrifice. So it means double. So it means double from this one. And also knight c7, and also queen e3. So means queen e3 with idea of this rook. So rook e7 with idea threatening, sorry, sorry, I forgot. So it means the idea of this one. Repeat. So it means with idea, if you idea of rook e7, so it means threatening of this one. Threatening of queen. So it means threatening. Sorry, I'm sorry that that the tablet or mouse is still hard of this, forgetting of this hard my mouse and this mouse sleep here. And also rook e8, so it means rook e8, so it is good move by Fabiano, so it means realize, so it means focusing of this great move against that. So it means so it means so it means with the develop, so it's still focusing by rook rook e8, and also g3, and also king g8, and also queen f4. So it means queen f4 with idea ready of this rook takes here captured by Fabiano in white pieces by Wei from this one. And also rook takes e5, queen takes rook, and also knight e8. So it means knight e8 with idea developments from this one. So it means move. And also knight h3, and also knight d6. So it means knight d6 here develops from this Fabiano. And also knight f4, and also queen d8. So it is queen d8. So realize it's very casual move by Fabiano Caruana. And also last shot king g2. So it means that decided is ugly draw from this round number 1. So it means draw. So this draw from round number 1 in Tata Steel in Master. So it means, so the score of accuracy from this one. So score of this white pieces of Grandmaster Wei is 99.3 points from these white pieces. And the score of these black pieces from this Fabiano Caruana is 99.5 points. So it is first win of the score points from accuracy. So it means the winner of this accuracy points of this 99.5 is Grandmaster Fabiano Caruana. So it means congratulations of this round number 1 in this chess tournament. So I hope this enjoyed this part of this game. So realize, so thank you so much here from this one. And I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka Icon Mark 17. So thank you so much here from this one. Have a good day and keep safe and adios. Bye bye.